Voyager's secret payload, 1977. When NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes in 1977, the world believed these spacecraft were designed solely to explore the outer planets and carry a message to potential extraterrestrial civilizations. The golden records, containing sounds and images from Earth, were seen as humanity's symbolic outreach to the cosmos. But what the public was never told is that the Voyagers carried more than just messages of peace and scientific instruments. Buried deep within the classified annals of government documents lies the truth. Voyager's secret payload was something far more mysterious, something that even the highest-ranking officials in NASA were not fully aware of. And the implications of this hidden cargo could alter humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. The story of Voyager's secret payload begins in the early 1970s, when NASA was finalizing the design of the twin spacecraft. Officially, the missions were intended to conduct close-up studies of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune before continuing on a trajectory that would carry them beyond the bounds of the solar system. But behind closed doors, a select group of individuals within NASA, the CIA, and the Department of Defense had a different agenda. Classified documents reveal that an unknown object, recovered from a crash site in the American Southwest in the 1950s, was quietly integrated into Voyager's design. This object, believed to be of extraterrestrial origin, was a small, crystalline device that emitted an energy signature unlike anything scientists had ever encountered. Those who examined it theorized that it was a form of advanced communication technology, possibly a beacon or a transponder designed to interface with other civilizations. The device's capabilities were not fully understood, but one chilling possibility emerged. It might be capable of transmitting signals over vast cosmic distances, perhaps even acting as a homing beacon. Fearing the implications of activating the device on Earth, intelligence officials proposed an alternative solution. What if the device could be placed aboard a spacecraft and sent beyond the solar system? This way, if the object's signal was ever activated, it would occur far from Earth, minimizing potential risks. The Voyagers, with their long-term deep space missions, provided the perfect cover. In 1977, without public knowledge, the object was discreetly integrated into Voyager 1's payload, its existence hidden from mission engineers and public oversight. As Voyager 1 and 2 began their journeys through the outer solar system, they transmitted breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data back to Earth. But what went unreported was that Voyager 1, in particular, had been emitting faint, intermittent signals that didn't match any known telemetry. These signals, dismissed by most as anomalies or data glitches, were anything but random. Analysts within the intelligence community believed that the crystalline device was slowly activating, responding to unknown stimuli as it ventured further from the sun. By the time Voyager 1 crossed the boundary into interstellar space in 2012, these signals had become more frequent and more complex. They no longer resembled random noise, but rather appeared to be forming a structured pattern, one that seemed eerily similar to the mathematical language encoded on the golden record. It was as if the device was sending a message, but not to Earth. It was reaching out, to something beyond our solar system. In 2013, a classified task force was assembled to analyze Voyager's transmissions. What they uncovered was beyond comprehension. The signals from the device appeared to be receiving a response, an echo of sorts, originating from a region of space that defied explanation. The response wasn't coming from a known star system or a planetary body. It was coming from a point in space where no known celestial objects existed, and whatever was responding seemed to be closing the distance. The chilling realization dawned on those involved. Voyager 1 had become a beacon, and something had noticed. But the question that haunted everyone was simple. Who or what had answered the call? The implications were staggering. Had the device succeeded in contacting an advanced civilization? Or had it awakened something ancient and unknown that had been dormant for eons? As Voyager 1 continues its journey deeper into the unknown, the secret payload it carries remains active, sending signals into the void, signals that may be guiding something back toward us. And while NASA's official narrative celebrates Voyager's achievements as a triumph of human exploration, those who know the truth live with a constant, unspoken fear. What if the signal doesn't just invite curiosity? What if it invites something far more dangerous? The true purpose of Voyager's secret payload may never be fully disclosed, but one thing is certain: humanity sent a message into the cosmos, and someone or something has answered. As Voyager 1 drifts further into the darkness, carrying its hidden cargo, a chilling question lingers in the vastness of space. What happens when the reply finally reaches us? And when it does, will humanity be prepared for what comes next?